Hello students, this is Nidhi Rani, your science teacher. Through this video, we are going to study mechanism of breathing from chapter 10, respiration in organisms. So let's start. We need energy to do various activities. Energy is produced in the cells by breaking down the food with the help of oxygen by a process known as respiration. We take oxygen from the air with the help of nose and lungs. Then this oxygen is used to produce energy in the body. Breathing comprises of two processes known as inhalation and exhalation. Process of taking oxygen-rich air inside the body is called inhalation, while the process of throwing air rich in carbon dioxide outside the body is known as exhalation. Air enters the body through openings of nose called nostrils. It flows through nasal cavity and enters into the windpipe. Air then reaches the lungs. This is inhalation. During inhalation, the muscular sheet known as diaphragm, which is present below the lungs, contracts and becomes flat. Due to this, the size of the lungs increases, causing increased chest cavity. As the pressure of air is larger outside as compared to inside the lungs, so air moves inside the body from higher pressure to the lower pressure. When air reaches the lungs, the oxygen from the lungs moves to the blood present in the blood vessels, and carbon dioxide, which is present in the blood, moves from blood to the lungs. This is how gaseous exchange occurs between the lungs and the blood. This process is known as inhalation. Now, after inhalation, the diaphragm is relaxed and it moves up. Due to this, there is decrease in the size of lungs. The lungs contract, also leading to decreased chest cavity. Now, as there is higher pressure of air inside the lungs as compared to outside, so the air moves from the lungs outside the body, carrying carbon dioxide with it. This process is known as exhalation. I hope inhalation and exhalation are very much clear to you now. So let's start with breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes during a minute is called his breathing rate. As a person needs energy, so he needs oxygen to break down the food to release energy for doing various activities like playing, jogging, running, reading, cooking, etc. One breath comprises of one inhalation and one exhalation. When your body is showing excessive movements like running, brisk walking, heavy exercise, it needs more oxygen. So, breathing rate is higher during that time. While your body needs lesser energy and lesser oxygen when you are sleeping or sitting idle. So, breathing rate is lower during that time. The average breathing rate of a healthy adult human being is 12 to 18 times per minute. During heavy exercise, your breathing rate can increase up to 25 breaths per minute. While your body is in relaxed state, the breathing rate can go down to 12 breaths per minute. Thanks for watching.